Good day everyone, I'm Huyu. In this video, I will be showing you this Malaysia 2012 12 series 10 ringgit notes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So this 12 series 10 ringgit notes is issued around 2012. At the time, the Bank Negara Governor is Tan Sri Dato Sri Dr. Zeti Akhtar Aziz. This is how her signature looked like on the banknotes. This is how the overall notes look like. The size of the notes is 140 mm times 65 mm. And the first prefix is AA, issued around 2012. As for at the moment in this book, the replacement notes that is known as ZA, ZB, ZC, and ZD. Now in the future, I will be updating the video description. Now I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Alright, let's take a closer look at the notes. This is how the front of the notes look like. This design started at 2012. Behind here is the raffia flower, the biggest flower in the world, although it's not really a flower. I kind of miss the older, those older generation notes where they will show the printer name. It's got more detail. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.